Welcome to the Out There Show. 7 Alien Drone Stories. Number 7. The Recon Drone. This drone is equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology, allowing aliens to gather detailed information about a target planet or location. It helps them survey the terrain, identify potential resources, and assess any threats. Also, it let them know if the air is clean enough to breathe for their species. Number 6. The Communication Drone. The aliens utilize this drone to establish communication channels with their counterparts on different planets or civilizations. It carries sophisticated communication equipment that can transmit and receive signals across vast distances, so they can enabling interstellar communication. Number 5. The Terraforming Drone. When aliens aim to alter the environment of a planet to make it habitable for their species, so they deploy terraforming drones. These drones possess specialized tools and devices to manipulate the planet's atmosphere, temperature, and other factors, transforming it to suit their biological needs. Number 4. The Resource Extraction Drone. Designed for efficient resource gathering, this drone assists aliens in extracting valuable minerals, ores, or energy sources from planets they visit. Equipped with cutting-edge mining technology, it can access and extract resources from various terrains, such as deep underground or remote areas. Number 3. The Security Drone. The aliens deploy security drones to protect their bases, installations, or valuable assets from potential threats. These drones are equipped with defensive mechanisms, such as energy shields, advanced weaponry, and surveillance systems, allowing them to identify and neutralize intruders. Number 2. The Biological Study Drone. When aliens wish to study the local flora and fauna of a planet, they deploy biological study drones. These drones are equipped with non-invasive sampling tools, cameras, and sensors to collect data on the planet's ecosystems, species behavior, and genetic information. Number 1. The Transport Drone. To efficiently move resources, equipment, or even personnel between their spaceships and planets, aliens employ transport drones. These drones have large cargo compartments and propulsion systems capable of carrying heavy loads, making interplanetary logistics more manageable for the extraterrestrial civilizations. Thanks for watching. Now please like, subscribe and share for more of the Out There Show. And please check out our store. The link is in the description under the video, and right top corner of our channel.